found it! Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. So you may remember in last week's video, it came out last Monday. There was supposed to be a video on Friday. Honestly, I completely didn't realize what day it was on Thursday. I did not film a thing, and other things fell through as well. So the last video, I said this. So the goal for this week is to ride every day this week, whether it's a short ride, fast ride, long ride, hard ride. I was going to do a 1 week challenge riding a bike and eating right every day for 1 week. I made it no days. I made it one day. So the plan was to ride every week, or every day of the week, and I ended up working 60 hours last week. I worked between 11 to 13 hours a day. The one day I rode was when I worked 11 hours. So the challenge did, hold on. Yeah, so over the last week I actually gained 2 more pounds. So I failed at the week challenge, but today we're headed out. We're going to find some sort of adventure, something cool to do. I gotta go pick up some parts for a bike, and then after that, I think the plan is to maybe find a short hike, something in nature before all these hurricane rains hit up here. What have you got? Bring that light! Bring me that back here! Bring me that! So I got the stuff that I went to get. Being that this week has just been nothing but work, today is about redemption. So you're hearing that correctly. That is the sound of a creek, a river, a spring, water flowing behind me. About a year and a half, maybe 2 years ago, we tried this trail. There's a waterfall out this trail. We did not find it. We hiked like 2 miles. Should not have hiked that far. It's only like a half-mile hike. We had no luck. We gave up. So first we went down. Where's that? First we went down. Where's my hand? That way. First we went down that trail, and nothing. And we're like, okay, well maybe it's actually down this trail here. We walked up the mountain a ways. It was not there. I'll put a link to that video below. But today is redemption, and Leah's gonna find it. Okay, I'm gonna find it. So this trail is not that long. It's called the Laughing Falls Trail, I believe. We crossed the river, and right there is the trail. That was not there last time. I'm pretty sure this had all grown up because we went that way, down that road. that was not there last time. Got our first glimpse of it. Maybe another, I don't know, 1/10 of a mile, and we'll be there. I think we're gonna find it this time, guys. I just finished flying the drone, and if you can't tell from the camera, I am shaking like crazy. The landing was insane. I could not get GPS here. I'm not in a no-fly zone. There's ants all over my camera. I'm not in a no-fly zone, so I went ahead and I took it up. I flew up through there. Obviously, you've seen that already. And then coming back, I'm like, crap, I got nowhere to land. So we had to hold the backpack out, and it like recognized GPS way up there. The battery got low, and it took off trying to get home. It was scary, but we got it. It's in the backpack. I'm never doing that again. But here it is. I think this is the Laughing Falls is what this is called. We've laughed since we got here. That's good. Yeah. Not a hard hike. We did pass it on accident. If you do the hike, you walk 0.25 miles, and you come to a split. If you go straight, that follows a game trail. So you want to go to the left, come down the hill, and it brings you to the bottom of this. A really pretty waterfall. Let's look at that drone footage one more time. It's sad to say that this is the first hike that we've done this year. It's August. This whole pandemic has just thrown a wrench in the outdoor life. So I mean, yeah, you can get out and hike. We just haven't been because we don't want to be around a ton of people. It's, believe all the stuff or not, there's a chance that they're right, and there's a chance that there's a real situation going on. We don't want to risk it. We have people that in our lives that are high risk, but it's good to get out and hike. To finally say we did it. We found the waterfall that we tried to find a year and a half ago. Feels pretty good. So now this hike was to here, 0.25 miles. We got 0.25 miles to get back to the car. I got a sandwich in there that I'm gonna eat. Silas looks like he pooped himself really bad. Silas, you poop your pants?
No.
So almost back to the car. Hands down, the best thing about this trail is there's a creek crossing at the end, and I guess it's at the beginning too. So you have to cross in the water. You get to cool your feet down. And it feels so good. It feels so good to be out hiking again. Overall, this was a great hike. We did pass it. Last time we went way too far. This time we figured it out in time. Found some evidence of the Bigfoot, or Big Feet, or Sasquatch, as some people call them. And got out of the house. Look for a video on Wednesday with an update, a channel update. That's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys. Well, we'll talk about that on Wednesday. Go back. I'm not leaving it there. This is a walk-by shot, guys.